Hey everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers, your go-to place for everything WordPress. Today, we're covering 10 crucial things you must do before changing your WordPress theme. Skipping these can mess up your site, so let's do it right. Let's get started. Number 1. Make note of any theme customizations. First, list all the custom changes you've made to your current theme, whether it's custom CSS, code edits, or added functions. These don't automatically carry over to your new theme, so back them up or plan to re-implement them. Number 2. Get current theme performance metrics. Use tools like GTmetrix or Google PageSpeed Insights to record how your current theme performs. This gives you a benchmark to compare your new theme's speed and responsiveness. Number 3. Note current sidebars and widget areas. Make a note of what widgets you're using and where. Some themes have different sidebar structures, and you don't want to lose your contact form, social icons, or ad banners in the switch. Number 4. Copy existing tracking codes. Got Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, or other scripts installed? They might be placed inside your theme's header or footer files. Copy these codes so you can re-add them after the theme change. Number 5. Back up your WordPress website. This one's a no-brainer. Before making any big change, back up everything, your files, themes, plugins, and the database. Use a plugin like Updraft Plus or your hosting provider's backup feature. Number 6. Put your site in maintenance mode. Switch to maintenance mode before you start tweaking your theme. Use a plugin like SeedProd to let visitors know your site's undergoing improvements. Number 7. Test all functionality and plugins. Before switching themes, test all existing features, contact forms, sliders, galleries, to ensure they're plugin-based and not tied to your theme. If they are, you'll need alternatives. Number 8. Test the new theme across browsers and devices. After switching, preview your new theme on different browsers and devices. Is it responsive? Are all the layouts displaying properly? Catch bugs early before going live. Number 9. Delete unused plugins. Clean up your site. If your new theme replaces the functionality of some old plugins, remove those extras. Fewer plugins mean better performance. Number 10. Let users know your new website is live. Once everything looks good, it's time to celebrate. Announce the update to your visitors through a blog post, newsletter, or social media. Let them know about the new experience you've created. If you want your site to stay modern and competitive, start using these trends today. We also provide WordPress development services, so if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. You can hire us at buddydevelopers.com by clicking on the Hire Us button. You can also follow us on other social media channels. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such WordPress educational videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.